RobotC to store all your programs, and how to open up a new RobotC program. So our very first thing we want to do is create that folder. So using your mouse, I want you to right click. You'll open up this window, go down to the bottom where it says new, then go back up to the top where it says folder and click on that. Go ahead and type in your last name, and I did dash followed by the words RobotC, and then enter or click it. So right here is my folder to store all my RobotC files. Now we're ready to open up RobotC. You're going to see multiple programs for it. It's this green icon. This one is for the graphics. We're not using that one. We are using it with our VEX materials. So we're going to double click on the VEX. It's going to open up. It might take a bit to load. So we need to let this RobotC program know what type of cortex we have. So I'm going to go up to the robot and let this program know which robot we're using. So I'm going to select robot. I'm going to go down to platform type, and you're going to select VEX 2.0 or cortex, because that's the type of brain that we have. So that's going to be selected. Once that's selected, it's going to shut down. I also need to let it know what type of language we are going to communicate with. So go back up to robot, go back down to platform. Under platform, you want to select natural language PLTW, and that's been clicked for me. So go ahead and click on yours. It's going to shut that window. Last thing we need to do is let it know how we're going to transfer that data from the Cortex to the laptop. So now we're going to go into RobotC again, like I said, VEX Cortex communication mode. We are going to select USB. So we're going to use an orange USB cord to connect our laptops to the Cortex, which is the brain. So selecting that. Awesome. So now we know how to communicate with our brain to the laptop. Now we need to type in our language, our communication, our program. So to do that, we're going to go up to the top again and find where it says file. Click on file. Under that, select open sample program. And you're going to see sample programs. We want to find the one that is titled PLTW. Select that one. Double click. We want to use the PLTW template .c. So double click, and that opens up. Now I don't want to save over this template. It's a template that I want to use over and over, so I need to rename this program file. So what I'm going to do is go to the project TRACY missed, and then for section you're going to, so I'm writing table number 2. For now I just want to save this. So after you type that in, you're going to go to File, Save As. Again, I don't want to call this the template. I want to go over my template, so I'm going to call it Testbed. Now, I don't want to save it to the sample programs. I want to save it to that file folder. So on the side right here, where to organize it, I'm going to select Desktop, and then I'll have all my desktop files. Find the one that's got your name on it. So here's my Miss RobotC. I'm going to double click on that, or click on it and then hit open, so it knows to save it into that folder. That folder has nothing in it right now, so it's empty, and I'm double checking. Desktop Miss RobotC is going to get saved to this location. And again, I'm going to keep it testbed and then hit save. Right now I'm going to just minimize this just so I can show you. So you can see my folder, which was on the desktop, now has my RobotC testbed file waiting for me. Alright, that's what I would like for you to do first. Thanks guys.